What is up, guys? Allocated Prepper here. So today, going on into bugging in instead of bugging out, I'm just going to go over, and this is going to be a series, so I'll have a bunch of different videos that I'll show you guys. But this one right here is just my medicine box. So, I'm just going to go through the contents of stuff that I keep and that you guys should keep around the house in case something ever does happen and you can't go to the pharmacy or you can't go to the grocery store to buy certain things. So first, and I'm going to try to do this, all this right here is different chapsticks. So Carmex, actual name brand chapstick. Some of them have flavors. I got these ones right here. So chapstick is always good to have. And I remember when I was deployed, I'd always hate when I got chapped lips. So I always like to keep a bunch of chapstick on hand. So just something to look for. And this right here is a thermometer that actually goes on the forehead. So it's real quick, real accurate, and actually holds, I believe, 5 of the previous fevers. So if anyone has a fever, you can actually check the last 5 temperatures. Another thing I have is icy hot cream. So I don't use this too much, but again, if you ever have a stiff back or a hurt back, icy hot will definitely help out. Also on the top right here, I have a bunch of the really big Band-Aids, and all Band-Aid brand because obviously they work the best. So I've got a bunch of Band-Aids, and up here on this little shelf right here, it's just all cough drops. So again, these are just quick grabs if you need them. And then opening up the box fully, I have this little Vicks Vapor Inhaler. I only have one. I had more, but I've used them and then lost them. So I'm going to buy more because I want to have about 4 or 5 of them. But I got one in there for now. Next one I have is actual Benadryl. So I got a whole pack that I just rip them off just so I can store them easier. And this thing isn't full by any means. Like I still have a bunch of room. So that's everything I have in here for now. And this right here is just all ibuprofen. I just keep it all in a bag because I can't fit too much of the big stuff down here in the bottom. So I just put it in the bag and then put it in there. More Band-Aids right here. These are just little kids' Band-Aids. I think these are all like Mickey Mouse and Disney. So little Band-Aids right there. More little Band-Aids right here. Got a medicine cup in case any of my fluid ones I lose. At least always have an extra. More Band-Aids right here as well. And then I have the old style under the tongue thermometers. I got 2 of them, so got 2 of these guys. Keep them right there. I got a thing of the Chewy Bites Tums, which these things taste like candy. They're freaking awesome. I got this Ivy Rest Poison Ivy cream because I have a bunch of poison ivy in my backyard, and I hate that stuff. I also have a itch stopping Benadryl gel. We have these little fever Fritas cool pads in case the child gets fever. Of course, if anybody gets a fever, you can use them. But back when my son had a double ear infection, these things helped out a lot. So until he was able to fight it off. And then more Band-Aids right here, a bunch of them. I believe I bought a whole variety pack and I just stuffed them in here. So, and then here I have Pepto-Bismol pills. Now the thing about medicine in general is while they do have an expiration date, they don't technically really expire. It's just the effectiveness wears off. So you might have to double up on the dose or something, but for the most part, they don't really expire. And this is an icy hot patch. I believe this is actually empty. Oh, I still got one in here, so this is just a large icy hot back patch that you can put on. More Tums. These are the assorted, chewy, chalky ones. Or not chewy, but the chalky ones. They're okay. I have children's ibuprofen. Again, I have a small child, so this works a lot. A big bottle of ibuprofen. Got a bottle of the rapid release Tylenol pills. So awesome. And these are extra strength. Bottle of Pepto-Bismol. Some little Ace Wrap. And then chamomile lotion. So that's all I have in here. I do want to get a few more things later on. Of course, we still have stuff in our cabinet. It's just, this is kind of like the quick grab, like, boo-boo kit pretty much, so. This thing is awesome, and I love this little thing. And this is actually just a tackle box I just converted to this, so. And I believe I got this from Walmart. It was like 10 or 15 bucks for this 3-tier one. But I highly recommend you guys make something like this. This thing's just completely awesome to have. So, that's everything. If there's anything you guys think I might have missed or I should add to this, please let me know. I greatly appreciate it. And I gotta fix this. And as of right now, that is it for this video. Sorry it's taking me so long to upload these. Again, I'm not a full-time YouTuber. I just do this when I do the videos whenever I have a chance. So, but it's that. I got some more for you guys coming up in the future. So please like, comment, subscribe, share, and let me know what I should add to it. So thank you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.